Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another very transformational video for all of you. Friends, the video I bought for you today is truly transformational, a very powerful, tried, tested, and very simple remedy for prosperity. Friends, on the previous video which I had released for you on the channel, I had promised you that this video will be about a very simple remedy, powerful remedy for prosperity, and I stick to my commitments. But before I share this simple, tried, tested, powerful remedy with you, I'd like to give you a brief about myself and about the channel, your favorite channel, The Ancients. Friends, I'm Dr. Ghosh and I've done 24 years of research into the ancient sciences and mystical sciences of astrology, numerology, and Vastu. And I'm confident that the tips which I bring here, the extracts of my 24 years of research into these ancient sciences, will transform your life. You will experience good health, prosperity, wealth, good luck, good fortune. You will enjoy business and career development and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones and peace of mind. I guarantee it, subject to condition that you follow these tips and remedies diligently with trust and faith. When you do that, you will experience transformational effects. For my 1050 subscribers already on the channel, my heartfelt gratitude. Thank you. You made a difference. And for all those of you who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to transform your lives. My challenge is that if you subscribe and follow the tips which I'm sharing with you diligently with faith and trust, your lives will transform. Now, coming to the remedy of the day which I promised for prosperity. I told you it will be very, very simple. But I assure you, though it's simple, it's very powerful. It's been tested again and again and again. And its powerful effects have been handed down to us by the ancient sages and munis who were masters in their time of astrology, numerology, and Vastu. What is the remedy? Very simple. Always on Fridays, when you go to the office, at least once a month, take any white colored sweet with you. A white colored sweet which comes with silver parak on it. And share it with all your co-workers and make a note that you also share a major part of it with those people who report into you. More so, if you can share it with the people who are employed in your office to do the cleaning of your premises, the Safai Karamcharis, the housekeeping staff who do the cleaning of your premises. Share this white sweet which has a silver parak on it with them. Like I said earlier, you have to do this at least once a month. When you do this at least once a month, that you're sharing a white colored sweet on Friday with a silver parak on it with your co-workers and especially with your service staff who is doing the cleaning of your premises, that is the housekeeping staff in today's modern corporates, your life will transform. You will see that your sources of income are enhancing. Your income has got a substantial jump. Your savings are enhancing because your sources of income have enhanced, your income has gone up, Your savings have gone up, you are able to clear your debts very easily and very very fast. चुटकियों में साफ कर देंगे आप अपना पूरा कर्जा. चुटकियों में ऐसे साफ हो जाएगा आपका कर्जा. And you will also experience, as an added benefit to prosperity, that your promotions and growth in your career or business will be very very fast, substantially faster than expected by you. That's the added benefit. Prosperity though is assured. The side effect, or what you call the added benefit, is that your promotions are also faster. Isn't this a wonderful Totka? You may question me, Guruji, that this is a very simple thing you are saying, very easy to do. Can we be assured that it's going to give results? Yes, it will. Do it with faith. Anything you do in life, do it with faith and trust. I guarantee you, I'm using the word guarantee, not assure. I guarantee you that if you do it with faith and trust, every month, once a month, on Friday, you take white sweets with silver parak and distribute it to your colleagues and to your housekeeping staff, your income will go up, your savings will go up, your debts will reduce substantially. चुटकियों में कर्जा उतर जाएगा. And added benefit is that you will get faster promotions. All obstacles in the way of your promotions and business growth will disappear. A very simple, powerful, tried, tested remedy which will give you super effects. Do it to experience the transformation. Once again, friends, I would like to repeat, for the benefits of those of you who have not yet subscribed or have come on to the first time to the channel, The Ancients, that the tips and remedies which I am bringing to you about astrology, numerology, and Vastu on your favorite channel, The Ancients, is the very essence and extracts of my 24 years of research into these mystical sciences. I am Dr. Ghosh, and I have done 24 years of research in these sciences. And I am confident and I guarantee that your life will be transformed. You will experience good health, prosperity, wealth generation. You will experience and enjoy good luck, good fortune. You will enjoy harmonious relationships with your family members, near and dear ones. You will enjoy peace of mind, which itself is a major blessing in today's modern times. And you will experience career and business development if you follow these tips which I'm sharing with you diligently and with trust. I wish to thank all my 1050 plus subscribers from the bottom of my heart. You have made a difference. Thank you, subscribers. I will be back soon with another very transformational video on your favorite channel, The Ancients. But till we meet again on your favorite channel, The Ancients, I wish you good luck, good health, good fortune. Stay blessed. Thank you for joining me on our journey of transformation on your favorite channel, The Ancients, which discusses astrology, numerology, and Vastu in great depth. Thank you, subscribers and friends.